up, you guys? It's your girl Kanai for BIGBAKEROLL TV, and you're tuning into episode 38. What's up, you guys? So for today's dessert, we are not baking today. No. So today, as you guys can see in front of me, I got 3 layers of chocolate cake already baked. But today we are going to be decorating a fancy chocolate birthday cake. So like I said, I previously baked the cake, so they're right here. We're going to be doing a 3-layer chocolate cake with, it's going to be like a chocolate caramel flavored cake. Like, I don't know like where we're going with the flavors, but I have the chocolate cake, and I have some buttercream, and I also have some toffee bites inside this bowl right here. So let me explain you guys the idea for today's cake. So we are going to be filling this chocolate cake with the toffee bites and buttercream in the middle. Officially I wanted to do caramel mousse, but I didn't do my research correctly, so we couldn't get to that, but that's fine. We still have some buttercream, and then so we're going to be filling it with toffee bites. So when you bite into the cake, it's like there, like you can taste it. And then we are going to like cover it in buttercream, of course, and we're gonna do the caramel drip, and we are going to make it look like a fancy cake. So originally I wanted to make this cake, well, I still am making this cake for my grandmother's birthday. I'm still gonna make it for her, so I know you're watching this, grandma. Happy birthday, this cake is for you. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to gift it to her, but I'm still making this because I know it'll make her feel special just watching me do it. So yeah, happy birthday, grandma, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by going ahead and placing my first layer on the cake board. And of course, we're gonna start off with the crumb coat. So I got some buttercream, and I got 2 separate bowls of buttercream. I wanted to do caramel buttercream as well, but it didn't cooperate. But we still pulled it together, and our cake is still gonna taste delicious either way. Okay, so we're gonna start by throwing some icing on top of this layer, just so we can do that, and then we are going to smooth it out. And usually for cakes with filling, like you have to make a wall so like the filling doesn't leak or come out or anything like that. I still am kind of gonna do that, but I feel like that's not needed because our filling isn't liquid today. We have like a crunchy filling. So yeah, we want to make it smooth like that. And then we are going to take our toffee bites and just grab like a handful and put it in there like that. And I'm not gonna like overdo it, but you want to make sure you taste that crunch, you know? Yeah, I think that's pretty good. And now time for our second layer. Push that down like that. I am so excited to make this cake. I've been literally waiting for my grandma's birthday to come so I can make another birthday cake, because ever since I made that Moana birthday cake, like I've been so geeked about it, and I've been wanting to make another one because I can only get better. And like that showed me that I could really do this, and I love it. I had fun doing it, so I'm going to continue to get better, perfect my skills. And yeah, so we're doing the same thing to each layer. And then like the extra icing that you guys see, I'm gonna just slowly start putting it on the side because we're gonna need that to complete our crumb coat anyway. So that's what I'm doing. And if you guys haven't heard, if you aren't following my Instagram, I just announced that I am having a back to school bake sale. So if you're located in Miami or Orlando, make sure you guys tap in and get your sweets. And if you're not in Miami or Orlando, because those are the only places I'm delivering, you can still order, and I could ship it to you guys, but the only thing I'm not shipping are cupcakes. So I am selling cookies, cupcakes, and brownies. So if you aren't local, then you can get cookies or brownies, and I'll ship those to you. But yeah, I'm so excited for my bake sale. Everybody been asking me, like, when are you gonna do another bake sale? Here it is. So make sure you guys go get your sweets while you can. The last day to place your order is July 31st. These little spaces, I'm gonna fill it with the buttercream, just so it can be like balanced, so we don't have like no gaps. So I'm gonna fill that out like that. Make sure you guys are doing what y'all want to do in life, because you never know what's gonna happen, and this is your life. Don't let nobody control you. If you don't want to, everybody screams they don't want to work a 9 to 5. They don't want nobody telling them what to do, and they still working a 9 to 5 because they don't want to put the effort in to go do like whatever is in the back of their mind. And I'm here to tell you, do it, because first of all, it's your life. Who's gonna stop you except you? You don't know who's stopping yourself. Don't waste your time worrying about what others got going on. Just do what you have to do. And as long as you're not doing anything to like break the law, hurt someone intentionally, then do your thing, okay? And forget what other people have to say. Like, I know y'all heard this before, but I'm here to tell you, like, to remind you. Come on now. Alright guys, so we have our crumb coat nice and finished, and now we're gonna go ahead and let it sit in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let it harden, so that when we put our like final coat of icing, it doesn't like mess it up, and this will just make it better. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm back with my crumb coat, and now it is time for our final coat. So I actually transferred my buttercream into a bag just so that I could pipe it, just to make it easier for myself, because we are going to add some texture to it. So I have this textured comb right here, and I wanted to do this because I told you guys I'm going for a fancy look, and I also want to get some practice in with my comb. So we are going to be using this side right here, and I don't really know like if the combs have different names or anything, but this is kind of like a wider one, as you guys can see, like compared to this side. And I just went for this one because it looks more fancy than the other ones that I have. So yeah, we're just gonna go for it. I'm not really like crazy about about like what it looks like. I just want it to be like wide, and we're just gonna see. And after I practice with it a couple of times, I'm pretty sure I'll get familiar and know which one is going to be come out looking like what. So yeah, so I have my piping bag right here, and I'm just gonna go around and pipe it on. And like I said, this will make it easier. You guys will see what I'm talking about in a second, but let's go ahead and pipe our cake really quick. Okay, so we have our cake covered in buttercream, and right now I'm just trying to get a little smooth coat going on the top, because The top has to be like smooth before we get to the sides, because if we do the sides first and then try to come back to the top, it's gonna be a little bit harder for us. So I'm just trying to get a little smooth. I know I can't do it completely how I want it, just because of the fact that we have like sides. The top is always the hardest part for me. That's why we are going to be attempting the sharp edges today, because we have to get that down. But okay, so we have our top kind of smooth. We're gonna go ahead and smooth out the sides a little bit. And like I said previously, we have to be very gentle, especially with this part, because we don't want to rub none of the ice off. So we're just holding it like this to the angle a little bit and placing it on the cake, and we're just gently smoothing it out. I'm just gonna go around one time so we can go ahead and go in with our comb, because I learned from making the Moana cake that you can't smooth the whole thing out before you start using the comb, because then you're just gonna start taking off ice, and you don't want to do that. Alright, so now that I got all the patches filled in, I'm gonna go ahead and start with our comb, and this is the scary part for me, because I feel like it's because I'm left-handed, and I'm offended, because why? Like, just why? Like, I should be able to do it too. I'm offended. I'm not even gonna lie to you, like, I'm actually offended. But whatever, because I'm gonna become a pro at it, so don't even worry. So, time for the comb, and we just have to stand it straight against the cake, and don't push it in, but just stand it there, and see, like, what? Push it in just a little bit, but not like, and just turn. Oh my gosh, I hope this is working. Let's just keep going around a few more times. I don't know why this is so hard for me, but we're gonna thug it out. We want this design. Wait, I think I got it. I'm getting a little more comfortable with it. Okay, you guys, so we have our melted chocolate in our bag right here, and now is where we are going to begin with the drip. This drip effect is pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but we're gonna get it this time. So we're gonna cut the hole like really small, and now it is time to drip. Alright, so the drip didn't come out too good, and it's like on the sides a little, but it's okay. It's easier, they make it look easy, but it's actually not. But, okay, it's okay. And now I am going to go ahead and do the, pipe some swirlies on top. But I think I want to cover the top with chocolate. That's what I'm thinking about doing. I feel like it will look better that way. So yeah, I'm gonna do it actually. Just go ahead and do it. So it's time for me to do this. Let me show you guys. And because I want it to look nice, I'm gonna spread it around in a second. Oh, I seen a hack where like they did it like this. That's what I should have did actually. And the jet was way easier. I said I was gonna do it next time, then I forgot. And I just remembered why I'm doing it like this. So, see how it's dripping down? Okay, I just messed up the whole cube. Alright, you guys, so we have the swirls on the top, and now I'm just going to add the final touch, which is the toffee bites, and I'm going to sprinkle some in the middle. And then on top of the swirls. Alright, you guys, so that is our cake complete. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The cake, it actually came out okay. Like some things, well, a lot of things kind of went left, but we fixed it and we made it work. So I think it looks pretty good. And since this is for my grandma, and this is my first time doing a cake with filling, and I want to do a cake like with actual filling, but my family doesn't really like filling, so I didn't. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut a slice for you guys so you can see how it looks on the inside. Ooh. I know I'm cutting the cake wrong. I just want to cut it like this so that for a presentation. Ah! Okay, boom. And this is how it looks on the inside. That is how it looks. It looks so cute. So yeah, chocolate cake. So this is a chocolate toffee cake because it's not much caramel as I want it, but it's still, it's gonna taste good, it looks good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you won't miss another episode. And with that being said, I will see you guys next week. Bye.